Yo, people, big up on yourself. So, anyway, me there at the office and man, I really like where I go on. You understand? Because at the end of the day, me don't know. Big up all mothers worldwide. All mothers worldwide. But I just don't know. All right, so from what a lot of people have been linking me and them I say G7 boss, LA Lewis, Chilean record young boss, Messiah, cause you know them call me a kind of nickname already. You understand? Godzilla, one bag of thing. Them I say, yo, oh no your lash being man on the mother thing. And me I say, yo, you know, some of them busy with the people and me not tell lion, but every day the people keep on calling me now. The people send me videos after videos with being man mother and people in the area where being man mother live. You know, they call him a phone call. You know, LA Lewis is the person who, if you're a police officer and you're in the force, and I don't know why me, lad, because sometimes I wonder why me, because I don't think I'm doing a good job at it. You understand? Because sometimes when I talk to the politician, I'm still not hear me, the Chinese, I'm still not hear me. So, but still people keep on coming to me with them problem. People keep on coming to me for try to solve them solution. And I know I did good in school, but I never feel say I'm a person who have the leadership potentiality there, a person who for but I know some just love talk and I allow that, yes, and I like to help people, I have a soft heart. So people them send me the videos, them I'm touched by the videos. Because I know how people say LA Lewis try to put down nobody, I'm not trying to put up nobody. I'm just talking what my heart feel. I'm talking from a supreme being standpoint, looking down on humans, are living with humans. You understand? So big up on my supreme beings and more watch a show right now. You understand? So when I look people and I say the thing with Beenie Man, Beenie Man's a good artist people. You know, me and Beenie Man have a toss up every now and then. So I don't want nobody to say me put on Beenie Man or me try to put up Beenie Man or nothing like that. I may try to look friend or I may try to disgrace Beenie Man or nothing like that. I'm just talking what people is talking and I'm talking what my heart is telling me to talk. Yes, and what my emotion is telling me to talk. Yes, and all right, so when you see how long the people send me the video, say LA Lewis. How many you really go against the video with Beenie Man mother? One bag of thing cause people, but me directly tell myself I didn't want to see the video. Because at the end of the day, I don't know me and Beenie Man go at it for a longer time and I know how people believe I'm being biased. But people, an hypocrite is what I don't like. Because enough of the bloggers them now, them play a hypocritical move. They ain't talking the truth about the video. Remember, you know, Mama is the greatest thing on the planet, ladies and gentlemen. No matter what, I want my father tell me say, him say no matter how hard your mother scold you, love her because at 9 months she carry you. Me a boy I gonna drop off money go give my mother every week. Every week, I'm going to drop off money, go give my mother. On a seat, ladies and gentlemen. Sometimes I might not enough like I'm really want to drop off. And sometimes I might go drop off some of my heart feel content and say, yeah, mama. But every week, not till like the week, yeah, the business is kind of slow because the government, them, you know, lock off the party, them. So the dance not keep, the stage show not keep as such a Christmas. So certain businesses slow people, but nevertheless, business still coming, you know, it's chill on the record. So I got a lot of people who need to pay out the week here, and a lot of bills I need to take care of. So I did reach late to give mama a money. So people, first thing, mama live in a good house. Mama have some of the finest TV them in her house, some of the finest furniture them. You understand? Mama have her own a business too. Mama again have not enough. Cause mama can never have enough. So big up all the people out there who say, oh, love for the mother, I want to give you a thumbs up on that one. All the viewers who watch it, who love for the mother, give a thumbs up. So now, what I'm saying, ladies and gentlemen, and then, not for the bloggers, them see the video, and then make the biggest comment like say they must see nothing wrong with the video. Something is wrong with the video. I don't know if none of you, if me alone see it, me a Jamaican P, but through Jamaican P now, you understand? Him cause people more like bad with that thing, and one time I run off him out, I'm saying Jamaica P, if you make a war with you, if you go pay for war with you. You understand? Because, you know, everybody want to take a shot at the king. Everybody want to take a shot at the God. I'm the God of social media. Carter run the road. Go ask any carrier. LLOs run the globe. Go ask any visa. From US to Dubai to British Empire. Anything test LLOs lyrically. I test LLOs on social network get murdered. They all know that. So, I make more money. Me am one a boss. I sign to the company that I own. Chillani Record. Enough people, they would like for don't bring business to Chillani Record, but you know why they have to bring business to Chillani Record? Because Chillani Record is the greatest. Now, ladies and gentlemen, we are the Uncle Company where right now we have a Christmas deal, not even Christmas deal, but we have a customer appreciation deal where we give to the local young artists them for see if them can get a break. $350 US, and then we get a distribution deal, a publishing deal, plus we get a Vice, produce, mix and master a song for them, plus they get a free photo shoot, ladies and gentlemen, and 1 month with a promotion, courtesy of Chillani Record, for all $330 US. So come on, ladies and gentlemen. From where in the world, not even Sony Record or Puritan Company do that. So that shows that LLO say give back to the community, Chillani Record and all the staff. Big up Nana Harris Barton, attorney at law, Charles Ganga Singh, attorney at law, big up Colleen Lewis, my cousin, attorney at law. They're all on the board of Chillani Record, and big up all of the shadow government of Chillani Record. People, our companies are a joke thing. Yes, and at first, you know, LLO was the start of his career as a comedian. But after a while, you have to grow, ladies and gentlemen. Because if you're there one spot and you not grow, that's your fault. Anything not grow, ladies and gentlemen, is going to be dead. So we're not really talking about Chillani Record right now, people, and all the good things we do for artists right now, and the big promotion and marketing thing we do, the digital distribution we do. We're not really talking about that right now. We're not even talking about how much poor people we help right now, ladies and gentlemen. We're not talking about that. What we're talking about is mama. People, please give the show that thumbs up, man. And please like and share and subscribe to the show. Yes, and press the notification bell, because the people still call me and they cuss me and say, oh, they don't get notification. Ladies and gentlemen, remember, say, well, first time channel LA Lewis officially locked down. So now at LA Lewis at 9. So new channel. So big up, telephone, press the notification bell. It's a new channel. But now, Beenie Man now, ladies and gentlemen, you can't take it away from Beenie Man that he's a great artist. If you try to take that away from him, you'll be lying. No matter how you say me and Beenie Man, I've took a toss up over the years. Although him never win me yet, because until now, him can't win me a lyrical battle. He never yet proved, he never yet done. Yes, son. But we're talking about mama now. Now, I've been trying to avoid the thing. I've been trying to hide away from it. People call my phone. People call the office phone. People call the next office phone. People call the cellular phone them. You understand? People call every phone. You understand? See that? People call every phone. People call the studio phone. People call every phone. But tell the secretary them say, yo, tell them say, I'm not doing any show on the Beenie Man mother issue. But now, Secret Society call me and say, LA, you have to do a show of it. You know, from Secret Society call me, you know, I don't know, God, I have to roll out. Secret Society call me and say, LA Lewis, you need to do an issue on it. It's an embarrassment. It's an embarrassment. I do wish his mother a speedy recovery because I have to love every mother, ladies and gentlemen. Every mother upon the earth, every woman upon the earth, LA Lewis love you. Only say me take up for all woman all the while and me stand up in the woman them corner. You understand? And me roll out and risk my life for every woman. And me say, woman till the day I fly. Jump up in my spaceship. You understand? And me say, freedom of speech, woman. And me say, woman power. You understand? And me say, Hillary Clinton till she go rob and thief 80 people, me have to switch upon her. But if it wasn't for that, I would have still said Hillary Clinton. But now I have said Donald Trump's. But anyway, people, and me say, woman for life. So I have to love every woman. Every mother, me have to rate them. See the people, my wife passed off, yes, and by cancer. And I'm a single parent. So me know what a mother got through. Because me did have to take care of the kids them, carry them go to school, pick them up and look out for them lunch money, look out for them food, look out for everything for them. So me know what a mother got through, people, not knowing 100%, you know. Because I can never feel the pain of a mother. So all of the man them out there who love for the mother, big up. Mother have to get them respect. People say, oh, no matter how none of my baby mother left, no matter how my baby mother them don't agree, I still take part in the kids' them life because I know what the mother them got through. As a single man or single parent, you understand? I know what the mother them got through. So now, ladies and gentlemen, when I say big Grammy Award artist, Beenie Man will roll on the latest car them, Beenie Man wearing the latest swag clothes, and for Beenie Man go put up a mother on social network in a dalico normal 90 then, ladies and gentlemen. Come on. Ladies and gentlemen, my mother have to wear silk 90. My mother have to have the latest that clothes. My mother have to have the latest and the hottest bed. No, my mother have those things. Because my mother is still around. And only know my white grandmother again. She's swag. Pierre Julie, Queen Elizabeth. So about my black grandmother is swag, my white grandmother is swag, and my mother is swagging. Mother have her own business. It's an embarrassment. And anybody on social media and make good comment about it on a wicked. Only for talk to Beenie Man. People, one thing with me, January the 14th, my born, I'm a Capricorn, Naphtali. Say if you want girls, if you don't want a good man, you're going to look at a man born January. Go look for a Naphtali. If you can find a man born on the 14th, you're extra lucky. That's similar to tell out myself. You notice how much woman want me, and I still stay single because I search for the right woman. Because when you have a woman, your woman's supposed to care for your mother, your woman's supposed to care for your pity them, no matter if the fear woman to come out of. The real woman care for everyone you pity them, everyone of your pity them, everyone of your kids is fear kids. And if she have 25 kids, the whole of them 25 kids are your kids. That's what I say. That's just my firm, fundamental, economical, subolious belief. I don't know what enough of man out there think. But if you love the cow, my granny always said you have to accept the calf, not only the calf them. So, and the calf mean the children them, what comes with it. So now, people, may go show the video now, and only tell me if you think this right. People, as much as Jamaica peace very disgusting, I am at the hungry somebody me say tell the truth. No, Beenie Man is a millionaire. Probably not rich like LA Lewis, but he used to richer than LA Lewis. He used to have more money than LA Lewis. But nevertheless, Beenie Man still have money what he can make him mother live luxurious. No. No one is above sickness. Because as much as I'm an alien people, I do get a little sick every look now and then. One day my mother drop, I hit her spine, and me myself go down the massage my mother bottom. I massage my mother's leg. That's how I stay. When my grandmother suffered from Alzheimer, and me go over there and go massage my grandmother, and I just like to talk about it. You understand? Till my grandmother died of she just died in her sleep. You understand? So people, I do love being my mother. You understand? When we look on a woman, the woman brought forth a lot of kids. You understand? But nobody said Beenie Man for do everything, you know. Nobody's saying that because I think she have more kids. But being a man is the breadwinner. Being a man is a breadwinner. You understand? So being a man have to make sure say his mother have a big house. Her mother live with him in a theme big house. That's how it's stay because she's an elderly lady. You understand? She have to have doctors around the clock. That's how you say you're rich badness. That's how you say you're a king. That's how you say you're a swag god. That's how it go. Fundamentally speaking. That's how it go. Big up Cartel. When you see me go back Cartel mother, Cartel provide a big giant house in mother. When you see me and mama a par every now and then, Cartel mother. Because she say, L.A. Lewis, I had an uncle artist, I say, really love my son. I say, when nothing never go on for my pitney, when the whole world turning back against my pitney, I alone there with Cartel. So that's why so much different people go forget interview with her and she don't give none of them interview. But Mama Teresa said, L.A., anytime you're ready for any interview with me, you can come. Big up Mama Teresa. I haven't been over there lately because Mama Teresa called me the other day, but people just have a whole heap of things from my head from the other day. So Mama Teresa see with me. Even Mona, mother, she see with me more time. Sometimes I can't even, I've been like, people remember me have employees, me have a company for run, me have this with that, me have interviews, me have this, me have that, me have that. Never have one man owe so much, so much, or never have one man owe so many. But me still try to be in the people who matters the most. Mama, good friends, children, family. Because the end of the day, people is family. So people, make a show on the video and then wanna tell me what wanna think about it because I don't wanna say. And them bloggers are hypocritical. Because none of them not tell Beenie Man the truth. Them talk like say, Beenie Man posted a video of his mother and we're wishing Beenie Man a speedy success. Them all wish Beenie Man a speedy recovery. Me say, and the man mother only for wish, because enough of them will forget French from Beenie Man. Me not look no friendship from the Prime Minister. Me not look no friendship from even more than a mother if she do something wrong. Me tell me, say, Mama might not tell her in the crowd, you know. But me go look for her and say, Mama, you know say you do something wrong. Yeah, my brother, you know say you do something wrong. Beenie Man posting mother thing. I wouldn't post my mother thing like that. If I have to post my mother thing, first, me go look at the store them. I even go to my mother yard and go pick out her bed set of clothes them and put her in. I'm going to make sure someone buy a real bed and put in her house. That's if the media for running, they say, what? Beenie Man mother sleep in a comfort. People don't know if I just me, or people can say I show off, or people can say I my. But ladies and gentlemen, the bed where my mother sleep on right now, ladies and gentlemen, even there than my bed where my yard. King size, not even queen size. With one heap of fandangles and even say, say, Bumbuckler, sorry about the bad word, Her Majesty, sorry about the bad word to the elders, the kind of elders they watch the show. Mama bed there. People, you cannot have Mama. Beenie Man is a star, ladies and gentlemen. If Beenie Man was an average person, I wouldn't even split on it. And if Beenie Man was an average person, but I want some money, me that still make a comment. So people, me no want to say nothing. I don't want to make a comment for people say, me, I don't know. People wouldn't tell me anything about it. Don't tell me anything about it.
One, two, three, four, five, six, 7, 8, 9, 10. Sit down. Right now, you know me unstoppable. Unstoppable, that means I can't stop you.
So, ladies and gentlemen, sorry for the break there. We don't know what's go. We've got to some commercial. So, you guys tell me what you think about the video that you saw. You understand? Because, ladies and gentlemen, at the end of the day, as an artist, as a superstar, you have to know how to flex. Remember, now, we are not. I would like to say I'm a human being, but I couldn't say that, ladies and gentlemen. I'm past human being stage like I'm a supreme being. I'm known in countries all over the world. People come, like, the other day, a little kids come, a little child comes to me and say, LA, you know, sir, because I pray to you forget something and I get it, so thanks. I say, pray to me forget something. I say, I want to little boy a madman. I say, a madman, I want to little boy on coke. The little boy, no more than about 9-year-old, 10-year-old, say, he been begging his mother, must say a bicycle for all long. And his father said, nah, get it kind of too small. And him say, one day him just go to bed, because you hear me say, me a God, and him hear this God thing. So, come like say, I don't know. The little boy said, go to him bed and say, pray to L.A. Lewis, God L.A. Lewis, and get a bicycle. And him say, the next 3 days, his mother call him and give him a present, bicycle. So I don't know if that little boy, but kids say the darnest thing, so you understand. But nevertheless, ladies and gentlemen, I could have my mother as a superstar who make millions of dollars and I toured the whole world and have my mother living in a them kind of situation there. Me don't know how you do it, ladies and gentlemen. I don't know how nobody do it. But being a man, I have to go make amends. Being a man, if you watch a show now, which me know you go watch a show, a lot of people are not eating out against being a man. I'm just saying you can do better. And anybody who feels that being a man can do better, ladies and gentlemen, or just tell the truth, say better. If you don't feel like being a man is doing enough for your mother, or just say, being a man, you're great. But I can't say it. I would like to play a hypocrite. See, like I like to play a hypocrite and say, yo, Jamaica is doing good. But people, when our GDP is below zero, Jamaica GDP is below zero. I couldn't say Jamaica is doing good. And when the amount of people I have to turn back every week, people will come look jobs, some children in record, and the amount of youth I have to give money every day on the street side, and the amount of women who I have to take care of, the amount of old people I have to take care of, the amount of mad people I have to take care of in Jamaica, never have one man or so many. People, you must know, say, you have a time in your life when you have to grow up. You understand? Because remember, you know, there was a time in LLO's life where I just pay gimmicks and pay happiness and pay. Yes, and I still do happiness and I still do probably do a local, but really, because me have whole heap of people to take care of now people. I have a lot of things now for do. Me have 8 kids to take care of what are my kids them. So I can't have a joking thing again, people. You have to know, say, it's all about business now. It's all about family now. It's all about your good friends them now. It's all about the people who need the help, who really need the help. Not some people who come beg every day. I know, so them come beg and they can't do things. When them people come beg me, I say, yo, I have a job for go now. I have some promotional pictures and some little thing for good for deliver. Deliver them and come back for a daily pay or a weekly pay. That's how I do it. One time I used to give money to everybody who come beg me. Now I'm going to do that again. If an old woman come check me and she need it, people, I would like to make a contribution to being a man mother, but if you do it now, people, everybody says that I may look and I style more style being a man. But ladies and gentlemen, I'm not telling a lie. Me not like for going to be the man mother yard right now and just go spend a $200,000 and hire some good doctor and yes and stock out our house with the latest and everything. I would like to do it, ladies and gentlemen. I swear to God, it attempt me to do it. But me know say if me do it now, people are going to say LLOs are hype and being my try style being man. I swear to God, me know if me do it. And that everybody gonna say. People, my fans, my viewers, tell me if I not that them are gonna say. Because people, the lady needs some help. She need professional help. Big up the look of Rasta man who try and best help her. But other that's a big Beenie man, a movie star, Beenie man, Grammy artist. You're supposed to have 5 local doctor in them good clothes. A help her. You're supposed to send for Snagger Post. The biggest herbal doctor in Jamaica for Snagger Post there and get the latest herbal medicine them. If you decide to say nah go gear modern days doctor treatment I look at Rasta man, probably the next door neighbor. I don't know who him is, but him not look like him got the professionality thing. Cause by now, Elelus is the person who do therapeutic massage and them thing there. So you know, so when people have giant problem, first thing you're supposed to rub down them giants. You're supposed to have some consecrated olive oil. Are you supposed to have somebody they eat lotion them? Are you supposed to have some massaging oil? I rub out our giants, them for our giants, them can straighten. I have to get therapy. I know those things because people, I do therapeutic massage for a living, different from my artist. I train for it. So what the gentleman is doing is just all up being the man mother and I try to a counselor, I try to build our spirit with him voice and for sure I say somebody dead if you are and I try to get her happy. That's what the gentleman is doing as a gentleman, nothing more than that. He's not doing not therapeutic massage, nothing at all he's not doing. You understand? So, ladies and gentlemen, I'm not tell a lie. I feel it. I swear to God, I do feel it. And then hypocrite, you know, what some of my bloggers, I don't like no for them. People as much as we don't like Jamaican P, and him want a war from over a million years for LLOs. So, see that Jamaica P, you did something great. LLOs finally calling him now. So you can go around, go tell the grand pit and them say, the general calling name. Tell him to the boss calling him. The god of social media calling him. Because you finally did something good. This is the best interview I've ever seen Jamaican P did. You understand? He wanted to look a bit with the bad words too much, with the curse word too much as usual, but that's Jamaican P. You can't get a bit of time. So what I'm saying, ladies and gentlemen, it's an embarrassment. It's a national mother effing embarrassment. For a big superstar and for sure, say, I don't know what's wrong with Beenie Man. Beenie Man himself, I heard post the video. Probably Beenie Man is as a promotion strategy to get himself back into the market because, you know, God knows a long time Beenie Man get a tune boy. I'm named to call up good boy. But Beenie Man, I would never post a video. Because remember, that's what I tell some artists say. Come to Chillenia Record and sign up. Chillenia Record, that's what a publishing company does. That's what a marketing company does. Your marketing company, your agent is supposed to say, Beenie Man, do not post that video. It's not going to be a good look for you. If you've got to post the video, what you're going to do, Beenie Man? Go down at John T store downtown or one of those store or Mr. Buddhan store downtown and buy one of those big giant bed. I go to Courts and buy one of those big rich bed like what L.A. Lewis mother have. Yes, and our Jay-Z mother have. Our The Angel mother have. You understand? And buy some official, yes, and things, curtain, then thing that make the place look pretty. Make the place look like a Beenie Man style. Because Beenie Man is a flashing youth. Ladies and gentlemen, I'm not telling you, I cry. I've been crying. Because I need to tell me, ladies and gentlemen, for go down the lady place and go drop a couple $100,000 US dollar. Not US dollar, my apology, Jamaican dollar. People, remember, I'm going to show you the video one more time. And want to tell me phone views. If you check a big, so it's not like, I'm not to lie. Ladies and gentlemen, I'm wishing the lady a speedy recovery because she's a great lady and the whole world want to pray for her. I may beg Snaggerpost, if Snaggerpost, I watch a show now because Snaggerpost, you know, I'm busy from. Because everybody wants Snaggerpost to come heal them himself. Now, they will buy the medicine, but Snaggerpost, ladies and gentlemen, I am the #1 herbal doctor. I'm saying that none of him think them come like Snaggerpost something done because as I get them doing Beenie to come to my office, ladies and gentlemen, come take on my stamina roots. I don't know why I'm going to do with it. I'm going to tell you, I'm going to buy a few one I want. See the people, my office empty. As somebody come in my office and say, oh, Snaggerpost roots out. So people, if they don't know, Snaggerpost are one of the baddest herbal doctor right now on the planet. What do you my eye never say good, Snaggerpost give them eye. What do you mean lose weight? See the people. And so I put them back weight, Snaggerpost give me a thing named Nutra herbal medicine. Nutra herbal food medicine. Because it's a food that's a medicine. You just drink that, when you drink that your belly feel like it's a bus. Inside them give the army, I them give the people when they go the alien place. I mean, I know stuck a pussy about them thing, but the man say, yo, LLOs, and this time give the arm of them. So people who don't look at the video again and tell me what you think about it. So I don't know. Look, people. So first thing, when I see the bed, the need for, I don't know. And if you look on the wall, them, ladies and gentlemen, the wall, when you see the crack in the middle of the wall, and a good sign, ladies and gentlemen. See that? The curtain them in the house, ladies and gentlemen. Yes, and superstar thing, man, I swear to God. Them thing that are right. See that? I hold the man now do nothing, yes, and yeah, my heart hurt me. I swear to God, ladies and gentlemen, my heart hurt me for the boss lady.
So let's keep Mama Beenie in our prayers and hope that, yo, she get to it.
Yo, them bloggers, ladies and gentlemen, them wicked. Them bloggers are wicked. Them bloggers, ladies and gentlemen, are the wickedest thing man on the planet. I tell them, you know, say if it's not coming from LLO's TV, people, what you guys think about it? You tell me the truth. The woman need aid, ladies and gentlemen. The lady need aid. Beenie, the lady need aid. And when you give her the aid, make the video them go down there, like you put out that video that she was say, yeah, we go on now. A half yard on the catch mama. Me deal with the real blogging store them. Notice when the government them there say Jamaica short of water, me go show the people them say, see here, the dam is overflooding. I lie them and tell you them want to sell the price water what the Chinese them have. And when I say, when me tell the people say if a good rain come and the people them down at the dam tells if a good rain come, the people will flood out. See there? What day the rain come, flood out the whole of the people them. So I say L.A. Lewis was dealing with the real blogging thing. When me tell them say Jamaica sell out the place of China because they want to get rid of Queen Elizabeth power with the Chinese, and they want to get rid of American power, or America and we and the Queen are so. I'm say, Andrew, we're not gonna do it. Wanna see it. So big up Donald Trump's anyway, they big up Her Majesty Queen Elizabeth to watch a show right now. People, I wish I could have helped. I know I can't help people. I know I can help. But people, something is just politics. Because who don't know say if I go down left now, I'm gonna say yeah now. Say a $200,000, you know, them either will give about the money. No, Beenie man probably go find and give about the money. I know I go on. And then enough people are gonna say it's a hype me look for Beenie man. But ladies and gentlemen, you want to say something and it's just wrong, totally wrong, and you want to help out, but you just step and say if I help out, it probably go backfire upon me. I just there's some people, man, I tell them it hurt me, I swear to God. Dear God, oh Jehovah, Jesus Christ, Yahweh, Allah, Buddha, Krishna, oh Mother Nature, Mother of all the planets, Mother of Earth civilization, please help the lady and help Beenie man that's him do the right thing. Yeah, son. So anybody if you say them 8.LA lose for this, on a wicked. People wanna tell me what to think. See that people wanna say, wanna know what time when some my items I get red like more, cry and tears in my eye, and I know some I feel it. Because here we go on, ladies and gentlemen. Beenie man has entertained the world on a great level. Beenie man has made enough people happy. Although I'm never really bust no artist yet or do nothing for the entertainment industry so far, but as a performer, Beenie man has entertained millions of people. So we have to thank him, mother, for Beenie man. You understand? Everybody have to thank the mother for coming on the planet. So if we say Beenie man, I never a good performer would I tell a lie. But Beenie man as a people person, towards his mother, a joke thing. So being a man go help your mother, the real your family, make the world see I'm proud of your youth. One of dead don't dash it way. Being a man, if that lady there for drop out tomorrow, under the condition there where you have her, because it's you being a man. Remember in a being a man, you do a dub plate every day. Silver call. Alright, remember in a people. Being a man do more dub plates than L.A. Lewis. Much as L.A. Lewis, a lot of people come, get a chill on their record. People come to me every day and say, they want dub plate, dub plate, dub plate. Me will charge a man at 300 or 400 US for a dub plate. Being a man, you know him have more songs than L.A. Lewis. Being a man can charge all $1,000 for a dub plate and get it easy. Because if L.A. Lewis get $400 and $300 for a dub plate, so easy. People, when me tell a man say $300 or $400 for a dub plate to people, man, give me it fast. G7 badness. I'm going to put out song too tough. I said the government them most to ban my songs them for the radio. But you put out the songs them on internet and chill on your digital distribution and Spotify and Amazon and the whole of them thing there and YouTube. I do get my dub plates. And people give me my $400, my $300 easy. Because if a man want 3 dub plates, I'm telling him, say, yo, 3 dub plates I want, I give me $300 one. But if a 2 dub plates I want, a $400 one. If a 1 dub plate I want, a 400. So the man them I give me the money easy. So me can do some boom now. Tomorrow when we get up, as soon as the Japanese them are the people from Europe, or the local soul man them from all over the Caribbean island, or the youth them in Jamaica say, LA, see our money. So boom I say, yo mama, hold this. Beenie Man can do it easy, people. If Beenie Man couldn't do it, people, I would have said nothing. Remember, I know. Why Beenie Man should have more tech either that thing? Remember over the years, you know, Bunty Killer himself said Beenie Man to take care of mother. Most of the artists them come say Beenie Man to take care of mother. So Beenie Man should have just flap them. Flap them and done us. What do you know? When I say me not take care of my mother, what do you know? When I hear that, mama, see the house here, mama, see the big bed here, mama, see a car here. Hello, mama now drive the car, but hey boy, drive around mama every day. Boom. It's a $10,000 every week. Anywhere mama want to go, carry mama, mama. Boom. Shopping spree, mama. It's a credit card there. Mama, see a business here. That means say you don't have to depend on me too tough. Hey boy, would have mama look at niece, look at nephew, look at grandpa them. Yo, want to run the business to mama. That means a mama can go now. Hawaii, mama can fly go to China and anywhere. So I saw the thing go. A rich badness, I say people. I saw them deal with rich badness. Leeching badness, Queen Elizabeth badness, Bushtrot badness. These are the thing the people. Lekki badness. You understand? Big up Giga's Hotel to ladies and gentlemen, the number 1 hotel in the Caribbean. You understand? Otherwise known as Ibero Star Hotel for the North Coast. But if you're in Kingston, ladies and gentlemen, you can pass off at Giga's Hotel, 13 Melrose Avenue. So Rosemel Hotel, ladies and gentlemen, at 30 Melrose Avenue. Yes, and I can go to the other big hotel now, ladies and gentlemen. Sometimes I ends out, but not many times as I wish I could, because I know I'm too busy. So Rosemel Hotel, ladies and gentlemen, is a fine hotel. The bed them good, the sheet them good, the pillar, the AC, everything good. The customer service is good. 13 Rosemel Avenue at the Melrose Hotel. And then you can go to Giga's place now at 7 Dillon Avenue off Agley Park Road. Those are the hotels that L.A. Lewis rest his beautiful body. Yes, son? So, ladies and gentlemen, big up North Side Express, the number 1 way to travel when you're not traveling in your own vehicle. If you want to go to Orchard, the North Coast, you know they sponsor the show too. Yes, son? And big up B&D, yes, son? Authors, yes, son? Can know they're new on board now, and them sponsor the show too. Yes, son? And Slipen Road, ladies and gentlemen. 40 Slipen Road to 42 to 45. Yes, and the one stretch go down. So, and big up the artists. Artists, I want to take advantage of the Chilling record, big break. $350 just from now till January. And you can get a contract, a recording contract. Plus you can get to mix, get a 1 song to vice, produce, mix, master, as well as do the TV track and the radio track. And then different from that now, you get to sign a digital distribution contract and a publishing contract, all for $350 US plus. You also get to get a photo shoot. Yes, and so carry over the yacht, carry over Port Royal, drive all around Jamaica, and do an exclusive official professional photo shoot all for $350 US. So, ladies and gentlemen, any artist want to take advantage of that is workless. So they can't say chill on your record now the things to the people, ladies and gentlemen. But Mama, ladies and gentlemen, Mama is the greatest. Mama the greatest. They got Megan too. You know, so Megan just have a couple black grand pitney, give her man just a couple black grand pitney. You understand? So big up all my fans in England. Big up my fans in New York. Malika Valley. Big up yourself, baby. You know, Malika Valley are one of my ex-girlfriend them now. Baddest porn star in America. You understand? And she's an artist too. She's a model. You understand? I not tell people, I have a good times with Malika Valley. I love her like crazy. You understand? But Mali did just too jealous here, man. So I can hook up Malika Valley people. You understand? So Ellen was talk to normal people. But any woman may talk to, ladies and gentlemen, I feel love my mother. Any woman may talk to, ladies and gentlemen, I feel love my kids them. No matter if I'm a fear whom them account, if she go on her ways. That's why some people say, Ellen was them at girl, I love you half G7 boss. Oh, them girl they want you know want them. Come and say, yo, I just know my type. So that's the thing that people. People, much as me a bounty killer not to agree. I could have bounty killer. Mama Ivy they live in a style people. Only know the see when time Mama Ivy drop out, bounty killer, bigger people come to go to Mama Ivy also. Then tell me I'm bounty killer, they're rolling up. Me I look at Juvenile and but bounty killer my favorite because I'm a promotional genius, I'm a marketing genius. Yes, and born in the gully, I mean produce some song the people. So bounty killer, I mean agree. I went bounty killer and you know, me and just can't say eye to eye in the last year. Yes, and when I get more mature and them thing, I'm decide to say, you know, 7-star general, G7 boss. Yes, and in there's a 5-star. So if never like come, I step up to 7 over the 5. From this on, you know, I'm still, whenever thief bounty killer chain, I still send back and tell the money for send back bounty killer things them. He never really get back the money, but he get back the jewelry. But nevertheless, I did something that killer couldn't do. But he sent back for killer jewelry. And a couple of weeks after, because the killer them there, the robber them there, hold on upon them. I'm say, listen me out, don't run put it you know. Remember say the G7 boss, no one live you know. Only just drop off killer things them and say it was a mistake robbery. Only never know say killer. And less than 2 days people ask killer. And say killer where him ring now, and say killer where him chain back again. And the whole world don't know say me send back for killer things them. But nevertheless, bounty killers are man to take care of mother. Mama Ivy, may God rest her soul. You understand? So, I just say the people. See if I can make sure with a portion of artists, you know, you have Redeemer people, one of the baddest artists. Tabitha Shea. You understand? So make try with some new artists, you know, people. Chill on your record. We'll push out some new artists on the road and when they don't know how we do the number one marketing. So any artist will market, any people, if you have a shop, if you have goods, if you have a new yacht, if you have a anything you want to promote or market, when it comes to check chill on your record. You understand? I don't know, I just feel away, people. I just feel away for the lady. People, I beg you to pray for Beenie Man. And I tell the lady don't for pray for now. I want to pray for Beenie Man as a Beenie Man. Because help your mother and your youth. Beenie Man, further on. Send some good medical doctor to help your mother. Outreach a stage. That's big 7-star general for the beg Beenie Man for help my mother. Nobody can beg me for help my mother. People say last year, and I feel it. See that people? Hold on my phone them. Cellular phone them ring off. Office phone them ring off. See that? If I go to a studio, I can't even everybody come to me with that same thing. Mr. Lewis, what are you saying about Beenie Man thing? Mr. Lewis, I'm G7 boss. All the media them a call me. They say, but who are the media? Me not go to no comment and I don't want to no write up nothing about me and Beenie Man in the media. I specifically tell them and then for sure them say, me not here running the hyper fight. I get my legal team. Kind of children record of it, legal departments, because we do publishing and all kind of thing and all legal things. So my legal team call them and said, please do not put out nothing with Beenie Man and L.A. Lewis. So them can't say that hype me. Look, people, I swear to God, if I lie me tell in my heart, ladies and gentlemen, more do so boom. And go down at the lady yard and go drop off even $1,000 US or $2,000 US and say, yo, I'm gonna take care of the lady. Give even the next door neighbor them it. But me know say people, if me do it, I swear to God, everybody go want to say, a style me try style Beenie Man, or enough me too enough. Because I know Jamaican people stay already. Them they like, for say, nobody do nothing good without have something to say. But I know say Beenie Man more than can take care of mother. People, when you see the video now, when you tell me what you think about it. Tell me if you think say Beenie Man to take care of that lady there. No vibes can't be between me and Beenie Man, because at the end of the day, them no bad like, remember say me are the new artist now. Beenie Man them vibes and my vibes now gonna shit. Beenie Man them are the more old time vibes. If they look at new youth them afraid to test me because they know some lyrically dangerous. Beenie Man now gonna test my lyrically, ladies and gentlemen. And Beenie Man not even gonna answer me back. And I don't want even Beenie Man for answer me back. And I'm not about for answer back, ladies and gentlemen. This is just now if you don't want to see the video, we have to go rewind the cassette. We have to go replay about the show after I'm done. I will not show it again. Because I did people me never even want to show it. But true, everybody has sent it to me. So approximately it is out there. So the man can say L.A. Lewis try to show a video. The video is out there. But if you want to see it on the L.A. Lewis L.A. Lewis Atom 9 TV show, YouTube channel, would have got replay the program, man. I'm not telling no lie, I swear to God. Fuck. Damn, man. Yeah, Beenie Man, let me down again, people. Beenie Man, I'm not telling no lie out. This is not a clashing thing. This is nothing that you can say the G7 was. People, remember now. Me have Benzes. So you can't say me try to look at hype. Me have Benzes. Beenie Man have no Benz yet. Never have a Benz yet. Me have Benzes. And me even go buy the Chrysler. What Carlin did have the other day, I want to see it, people. Carlin first Chrysler, me even go buy that. I'll put it down in my storage as antique. Come here, revitalize my Carlin Chrysler, ladies and gentlemen. Carlin was the first person in Jamaica to have a Chrysler. Take a Danny Williams to buy it. So big up Danny Williams. I'm even going to buy back that Chrysler the other day, ladies and gentlemen, for revive it, for refurnish it. So, I have money spending. So they can't say, L.A. Lewis try to look at hype. Me are the biggest thing ever out of the Caribbean and social media. If not the world and social media. Wanna Google it. A matter of fact, I go Google it for now. How much is L.A. Lewis stats? That's sick. Enough I love about L.A. Lewis try to look at hype. So I'm just going to do it once and for all and you can do it to yourself. The G7 boss is the biggest thing. If the government them never dare ban my song them on the radio, ladies and gentlemen, L.A. Lewis is the first artist get songs get banned off the radio before they even sing. They said, don't make L.A. Lewis come get no hit song out there, you're mad. The boy got tell the people them too much thing. They going to rise up the queen too much as the government say. Them don't like Queen Elizabeth. Them say L.A. Lewis promote Her Majesty too much and Her Majesty here done in Jamaica. So, what may I try to promote about the Queen for? So, but you know, I'm loyal. Big up Her Majesty Queen Elizabeth for life. So ladies and gentlemen, see it. Alright. LAEIS. Alright, see that, ladies and gentlemen. Look at my Google stats now. So, no boy I can't come talk about LA Lewis and look at hype after nobody. Me give people hype when see that people Google. See that? LA Lewis. See that, ladies and gentlemen. Look what I'm Google stats. LA Lewis Google stats 81 seconds ago is now 872 1 2 3 4 5 6 million. LA Lewis, see here people, that's my corporate Google page. That means I can't say a lie. See it here, that's my corporate Google page. See there? December the 28th. Yes, son. So, ladies and gentlemen, this is LA Lewis. Yes, son. And now, put in Beenie Man now. That means because I don't want to say LA Lewis look at hyper for Beenie Man now. Why you believe Chilean Record is the #1 promotion and marketing company in the Caribbean? See that? Beenie Man. Beenie Man worldwide stars on Google. That means the amount of different page them depend, not the amount of it's I'm video getting now. The amount of different page and the amount of people share things of Beenie Man up today is 4,570,000 the last 72 seconds ago. Yes, and I see there it's Beenie Man page. That means I can say LA Lewis pay Google. Because I don't know if I want to wicked. I don't want to LA Lewis pay Google. Forgive me. No, ladies and gentlemen. Google run after the status that you got. The amount of things we got on Google. See? That's all Google read up. Yes, and see there? Your social media. Because Google is owned by the CIA and is owned by Scotland Yard and otherwise overall by the Rothschilds them. So put in Bounty BOUNT. Say Bounty Killer. Bounty Killer status is 18,600,000 as 68 seconds ago. So people wanna look good enough. So I don't want a boy and a girl come talk about the 7-star general and look hype off a Beenie Man. See that put up Cartel, allow Cartel in jail. Him should even get 1 view, but people for sure some people still share Cartel things all over the world. See that Vibes Cartel. Vibes Cartel is now today is 8,040,000 contents. Yes, and Vibes Cartel have funny. I know Vibes Cartel is in jail. I said the latest thing there with the man Usain Bolt. That means Google is up to the time. Yes, and I say the comments that were being man Bounty Killer made the other day still up there. So that for sure say it's not telling a lie. So ladies and gentlemen, you see it? All out nobody's near the 7-star general. That's what I say I'm the god of social media. I never can talk it. I think a Spice and our Chilean record deal with Spice online digital publishing, and we share Spice things and see that SPICE. So people, it pays if you make Chilean record deal with things. See the Spice, this is the one with the gear, the big thing. See, ladies and gentlemen, Spice is 924 million. So even Spice right now, ladies and gentlemen, and a Chilean record, a deal with Spice things. And Spice have whole heap of tune out there, more than 7-star general and more than everything. So Spice is indeed the queen of dancehall, ladies and gentlemen. And LA Lewis is a god. Remember now, if LA Lewis have so much, we go Sean Paul, because I know Sean Paul, although him have a big song, them in the two social media friendly. So SEAN. So Sean Paul. So Sean Paul is 270 million. See, ladies and gentlemen, the last 82 seconds ago. So LA Lewis and Spice have the highest in the Caribbean, or out of the Caribbean. Check out Shaggy, because Shaggy just did the Disney show, so him thinks supposed to step up now. Yeah, so Shaggy just did the Disney show the other day, so Shaggy thinks supposed to step up. Eh, see the people, Shaggy there, 78 million. 78 million people Shaggy there. Me tell you, because him just do the Disney show the other day. So Sean Paul still lead Shaggy by 200 and 100 million. Him lead Shaggy by. So we do some boom now. And put in Alkaline. So more now look at the people. Alkaline there, 85,700,000. See there? 85,700,000. You understand? So all of a sudden them are king and them are this. LA Lewis is the realest man out of Jamaica and the biggest artist worldwide. People in England still don't know enough of them artists, but they know LA Lewis by art. People in Japan, China, that's why you see everybody for call or come to chill and record for who do them publishing. You understand? So, I don't know who else to go for. People, I don't know who else to go for. Because see it, punching LA Lewis again, that's what I see it. So Spice is a young person who lead LA Lewis by 1 million. So Spice lead me by 1 million people. See, Spice is leading me by 1 million. 871 million people contents. Contents mean the amount of video, the amount of write-up for people give, the amount of things that people put on YouTube. You understand? Check out my videos them now, people. See that? So much videos LA Lewis have on people share for LA Lewis. 36 million 100,000. 36 million 100,000 videos. You understand? So I see it's LA Lewis. So people. So me not have it. So now when people say LA Lewis make money in a scamming, I know for about a drugs LA Lewis sell. I know for about and the government give LA Lewis money for keep silent. Because them say all kind of thing. Kind of what they must put out an article say the JLP government pay LA Lewis couple $100,000 US for keep silent. Should them know you may talk not about the China thing again. But I draw them or I draw them. But people, you ever go on now? I just penetrate from what they plan some of the artists them and some of the project them I have to do. You understand? So that's why I just keep silent, but I already did a lot of things for Uno take it over. But Uno like Uno want me represent Uno go straight through. But ladies and gentlemen, Uno see it for yourself. Chill on your record. So if you want a real promotion, at the G7 boss enough to come. A chill on your record enough to come. Now, for a company artist, the over 871 million contents from Google. I cannot buy that. Not even the rapper them can buy them spot on Google. Google is about if somebody put up in a China, somebody put it up in a Chechnya, somebody put it up in a Mongolia, Angola, Germany, Japan, Australia, Dubai, no matter where. From people put it up on them computer, Google count it. Contents. Not if you can pay anybody for get 20 million views on YouTube. You can buy 20 million views on Facebook or 20 million views. Post on Instagram. Hey, you can buy a lot billion views on Instagram. But you cannot buy contents on Google. Every write-up, every news report, every little thing of people put on Facebook, put on YouTube, everybody put up a YouTube video, put up any video at all, Google count them as a content. One content, 3 content. So, people, who could say this G7 boss and look at hype. Because when me call people name, because I guarantee after I do that show ya, different bloggers take it and put on them channels, different people from Africa, people, them even got LA Lewis CD and selling a place named Mexico. I don't know if you know about Mexico, the place where Donald Trump said I'm going to build a wall. People bootleg, put my CD, them the same DVD thing and I sell them in Mexico. And what they make a show it to. Yeah. People actually sell LA Lewis DVD them as they do the YouTube or the Facebook show or the social media show them, the people them put them on DVD and package them neat. No, I couldn't believe. Alright. Mega show now. Alright. LA Lewis t-shirt. People sell me t-shirt all over the world, people. So I am even what them liar say, Mr. Lewis, you're not gonna sue them even. Yeah, so only just go up on the internet and go look and go search LA Lewis t-shirt, LA Lewis dictionary. People sell things LA Lewis all over. And enough of the bloggers them know, so once them tag LA Lewis name, more time you will go you will say LA Lewis, but with the perspective, I know LA Lewis because the people know say LA Lewis we call it now. Tag or hashtag. LA Lewis name is a hashtag name. LA Lewis of the corporate site them. LA Lewis of the corporate social media them. So when you print LA Lewis, anything for LA Lewis, automatically your channel go up. So bloggers have been doing it over the years, but sometimes my fans them say, LA, why you not sue them? I say, nah, man, make them go and eat a food, man. Because at the end of the day, I just the G7 boss. So people, I swear to God, I would like to do some boom and go drop off a piece of food over Beenie Man mother place. But if I know if I do it, they're going to say it's a hype me look. But I just show the people say, no other artist different from Spice in the Caribbean have more contents than LA Lewis. All right, like we're gonna Calypso now. You have like Marshall Montana. All right, so Marshall Montana is the biggest Calypso artist out of the Caribbean. And as Marshall Montana, LA Lewis was the first person who used to deal with Marshall Montana publishing. You understand? From big up Mama Marshall in a Port of Spain and family. Marshall Montana mother, Egwan good. You understand? Because when I got Trinidad, Marshall Montana them Cameroon. You understand? So see there, Marshall Montana there, 120 odd million contents. So see there? On a Marshall Montana page. So people, so I just show to say I'm the biggest thing in the Caribbean. Not even for the rapper them have contents like me. Because the first rapper who idolized me was a rapper named Soulja Boy. Because when me they deal with iTunes, Spotify, and me they deal with Vibes Connect and i5, them time there, none of them DJ and singers not even YouTube did invent them time there. You understand? So LA Lewis was the first blogger ever in the whole entire world. Then you have a youth them Soulja Boy come up, and then to America him there. And you know, a lot of opportunity in America and Jamaica like 3.8 million or 4.8 million, and the governments are 2.8. You understand? So Soulja Boy them eat the food, but if I was living in America, I'd be richer than rich. And to Jamaica, a bad mind country, so them say, hey, if LA Lewis is richer than this Papa Jesus, imagine if I deal with poor people, so they take care of poor people. So the other poor people I'm going to take care of, they better than just put him in for prime minister without even voting for him. Yeah. And also I'm going to loyal to Queen Elizabeth, so Papa Jesus, that Mr. Governor General going to put him side enough. Who some full look up? Well, I know some full look up. I would have some. Well, I know, who some look up footer. Nah, man, a footer, alright. Mega do it footer. Footer, I don't baby. Remember, if I call footer, them name what they footer. See, I'm going to beg all the Batman for the kill footer. I'm going to beg all the gear for the kill footer. Alright, I'm still going to read people because I don't know another fans, so anything on answer. Alright, footer. Alright, footer hype. Lord gosh, people, you know, say, only just down the yard, I feel like you just get trouble. Oh, there's a footer hype. Nah, sir, what do the man after better about starting to go up on footer hype? See that? Footer hype is 113,000. Come on, people, man. Fred William give him the biggest hype until now. See that? All of footer hype biggest thing is 100,000. So, people, who don't put footer hype in a blog into LA Lewis. Even rapper crap on them zillion time bigger than footer hype. See that? LA Lewis. See there? 870 odd million people. You know some do them thing. You know really something, but see the people who not kill nobody. See that 870 odd million a foot hype have 113,000 local followers. Local content span. See that nobody know foot hype. A foot hype them alright, a foot hype the smart they just call LLO's name for about a couple days. Say Jamaican P them would have live for my name. See the people, see it? Jamaican P is smart. He just call LLO's name. See that Jamaican P there? 88,400. 8,400,000. Because him call LLO's name till he made hurt him. See that? Jamaica P. So even Jamaican P bigger than foot hype them. People, come on man. Me tell them already. Anybody can name always boss. That's what I say. That's why for what you see me say. Me not call people name. Look on Jamaica, 99% of Jamaican P, him just like me. Him the latest video, him know cause Jamaican P know say call LLO's name our boss. So come on man. Doctor thing go up there. Remember say me deal Doctor Love publish it. That true Doctor Love no love pay money. Make what they me ease up off him, but me go look for him. Me not kill him. Doctor Love is a king of social media. LLO's is the god. Dr. Love. See that? Dr. Love lead them. Dr. Love lead the whole of them. So, people, anybody LA Lewis deal with, have to lead the thing. Don't run with me. Yeah. So, don't run with me, ladies and gentlemen. Who else want to say now? Because since on Gully Bop, nah, man. My name's a Gully Bop. Nah, man. I can't somebody else name, man. Gully Bop thing, man. Gully Bop, ungrateful. What do people who produce a song for Gully Bop, pay for the song, and Gully Bop go do the song, people. And that's true. Me know say, not now go off him. Yeah. No, people, Gully Bop ungrateful. My voice a song the other day, people. Give Gully Bop the song, and Gully Bop go put somebody different name on the song. And I should have sue Gully Bop. I read the company sue Gully Bop, but true you don't know, say, me say, alright. I know I'm try to come back, but I should have sue Gully Bop people. No, remember the people. Last year when me a full black boss they were, full black boss they lead everybody. So that's why I'm not saying enough of them artists are idiot. Because them say if them call LLO's name, LLO's like a boss. How they for call my name and me boss? Me done boss worldwide already. Remember you know, me get dub play from foreign and them I'm a song them now play. Me get shows said way I'm a song them now play on Jamaica radio. Because the government them say them ban me. Plus, different from that, me link with all of the big government them, me link with the ambassador them, me link with royalty, I have a company, me boss artists like crazy. I will produce, and we are the biggest marketing company of the Caribbean. So, I was school now for them artists I go. And them say if LLO's, if them call LLO's, no. If LLO's call your name, your boss. Everybody know that. Vibes Cartel tell them that straight. So LLO's are the genius of marketing. So people want to see me show now. On remember say how we send spice things around. You understand? So that may show now. And people, from what they will start, should assassin them. Agent Sasko. So by next 3-5 weeks, go up on Google and go look about status Agent Sasko have. Any artists or shoot people, look on Tamil them. I true Tamil them say them I deal with some different people right now, make Tamil thing barely job so. But when we deal Tamil them thing, so it goes But sometimes some bad-minded people coming at the artists them ears, we just left them as the artists ever come back. So people, me now look no eye from no artist. Yeah, what there, man? Remember, you know, when we do something, we promote portion the election before that one was gone. A landslide portion beaten by digital promotion, digital marketing. Then we do some boom and back Andrew Wallace now. We against Arne Shaw. Andrew does a boom and beat him down. We never back up. We do some boom and run out to Damon Crawford. One time the local woman that did this me. The local politician woman that did this me what did there our national waste management. And Damon Crawford is a right her off. Then Peter Bunting now I run against Danville Walker and we have Kingdom them go down the Richard Parchment and one bag of say right off Danville Walker. Then them do some boom and say LA Lewis, you go on now. Peter Phillips now run against Peter Bunting. And me say you go on now, you know someone busy with it. But now somebody tap that them come and say LA, you have to go back Peter, you know. Bunting, you know. Peter Phillips, you know. I'm say, all right, you know, somebody go back Peter Phillips, because you have to go on now. Peter Bunting to win, and him they do some things to me, and him they are grateful. I'm going to deal with Peter Bunting case. Wicked, Peter Phillips win. I'm going to predict the win before the win they even make. Go on social media and look at it. LA Lewis campaign for Peter Phillips. Peter Phillips win. So if a politics, anybody LA Lewis cater for half a win. That's the thing there. So people, a Naphtali, I'm a Capricorn, January the 14th, anything I would do, win. All I do is win, no matter what. Money in my pocket and I made it for the top. Every time I step up in the city here, the game niggas know my name. Roll out in my custom-made Benzie. Who you see this man always giving me apology. 7-star LA Lewis, them a call me. Love is my religion, but I'm not Ziggy Marley. Stopping at the road, every hot girl assault me. What a smell, I say me sweet like Bob Marley. From anyway. But I smell like me sweet like Bob Marley. From Oxford, from Cambridge, from Princeville to UA. Every graduate to study my anatomy. All I do is win, no matter what. Money in my pocket and I made it for the top. Every time I step up in the city, yeah, the game niggas know my name. Woo! My style is incredible. Speed is usable. So boldly just, yo, I'm not going to tell people, win. But, nevertheless, people, you know, I have put a look at happiness night, but I don't know. What is about Dr. Love now? Nah, man, we check out Cartel already, man. Remember, it's a Cartel that jail, but Cartel still going good for a man who lock up in a prison. Cartel stats still higher than enough for the money about that road. Yeah, man. So that's what I say. When me did crown Dr. Love as social media god, social media king, them couldn't say nothing. Because them stats now highlight Dr. Love one, and Dr. Love never drop off of social media yet. Sometimes him score might go down, but he never drop off. But enough for them come, they don't see them none at all. Then after a while, when they want a hype, them call back my name and get a hype. Yes, sir, but if them just call my name in a good way, them call me and say, LA, you ever go now? We're going to give a $500,000, we're going to give a couple $100,000, and you just war with me. And you don't see them boss. Because notice any artist who I call the name them boss. Any artist who chill on the record promote. Remember the people, it's once chill on the record they promote you. Once you give me the tools and what we tell us we need, there's nothing stopping you because we already kind of marketing. We have alien network. No joke about it, but a fundamental level. So that's why you see me tell us, I can't have the joking thing like one time. Because I'm growing up people, because you know, you have to grow. Because if you're not growing, that means you're dead. My grandfather once taught me that. Say, LA, you have to evolve. It's not that you want to stay down here, but you have to evolve and left somebody who down here for come here. So then when you go and so now that somebody will come here, so it's you have to evolve, ladies and gentlemen. So nobody else will tell me about LA Lewis or chilling the record boss or the 7-star general the business at the long time LA Lewis from 1994 or the LA Lewis from 2001. No. Or the G7 boss of people, straight business, straight entertainment. You understand? And I don't for politician soon. But people, me tell you now, say being a man, Is that a good look? The people might ball, the people might talk. But I think when LA Lewis talk, they're gonna look like everybody just start talk. But the people will talk long time. And not for the blog out to hypocritical. Because for tell Beenie Man for the right thing, the whole of the part, Lord gosh, Beenie Man, big up yourself. Lord gosh, Beenie Man, I wish you mother speed recovery. Yeah, we wish Beenie Man mother speed recovery. God know we do. Yes, but something make it look like it's about Beenie Man, it's about his mother. M-O-T-H-E-R, his mother. Chilean record people. That's what they forgot to mention. The #1 upon the Caribbean. L.A. Lewis. The diamond and dirt that haven't been found. You understand? The underground king that them afraid for crown. Till them afraid for crown until Magana God. So Cartel are the king, L.A. Lewis are the God of Jamaica dancehall and social media. Cartel run the road, go ask any visa. No, Cartel run the road, go ask any car tire. L.A. Lewis run the world, go ask any visa. From US to Dubai to British Empire, anything test me lyrically, get slaughtered. One of them afraid of me. Pay a tough chat them have. But it's not about me, it's not about children in the record, ladies and gentlemen. It's not about not even Uno, it's about mama today. And not about the man today. It's about the love of mama. Your mother bring her come here, she never have to bring her come here. She could have cut the neighbor's string or tie your throat with it, or tie your throat with it, but mama decides she can bring her come here. So ladies and gentlemen, we have to big up mama, so I pray for the lady that's everything we are right with her. And people who just tell Beenie Man to do the right thing, left in a comment. And don't be hypocritical. If it's a good look, you can left a good comment. But if it's a bad look, people, see a star who have so much money and a floss in a dance every night and they give how much people money and have mama. What mama could have done so? I don't know. No, me could have posted a picture of my mother like that. You're mad. Mama Doreen, anyway they in the world, big up. Mama Queen Elizabeth, anyway they in the world, big up. That's the thing there. So big up her mother's Queen Elizabeth, big up Mama Doreen. Anyway you're there in the world, Mama Doreen. Big up yourself. My mother live good. But not good enough. People owe me want she to live or owe me fees and mama should they live. Me want me have to go to my mother yard every day for dinner. Me so say go to my mother and say, Mama, lend me $1 million. And mama can say, my son, hold this. And I can say, Mama, see me $1 million with $5 million upon it. I saw me like it, people. And that's what mama thinks so there. Every man supposed to make sure look out for your mother. Because when a woman will give you a bun, your mother not give you a bun. When a woman will left you, your mother will never left you. So if you're going to deal with that woman and she don't love you, pity them, and she don't love your mother, run her out your life. If you deal with that woman and she not call your mother and give your mother, that's why I don't introduce no woman to my mother, people. If me introduce a woman to my mother, that woman that going to be exceptional. You're mad? So people, want to give me a comment and tell me how you feel about it, you know. Like and share the show, people. You understand? Yo, even if your mother left you as a kid, she must have a reason. But she didn't bring you come here. So still go around and thank her. Look how much friend we have at this way and this way. And when I bust big, we still go around and say, hey boy, I'll do this, me and me have the friend now. Hold that thing here. Enough boy diss my people. Style me. Not really diss me, but them try to style me. I know so them style me. But when they come check me for help, I still help them. I'm an artist kind. Alright, look what their people. Remember the police them. Remember one day with me and the young police there. With the incident where me and the lady go on the road and they tell us we can't go on there. And then give the lady a ticket and they give me a ticket. You see people, when the matter was put to the commissioner of police, the commissioner of police will take away him stripe cars. Remember you know, it's prejudice how it look. Because you see, you stop L.A. Lewis and stop another lady and you let run 200,000 car. And always L.A. Lewis, the G7 bar sponsor officer. If you go charge me, you know, and you go charge a local lady there, you know, you have to go charge them 2 million more people, you know, if a prejudice, you know. And if you forget make an arrest, it's a wrongful arrest, it's a unlawful arrest. This was an arrest everybody who they come on before we, and everybody who they come on the corner after we. So, The inspector look at him and say, yo, look at the man, or you're going to prison. So, big up the young officer, but I'll try to go when you're young. So, people, me that man, I spit the truth. January the 14th, born people. See it, I tell people, say, me have my gathering them, me have my big pink ring one I get from American jeweler, solid gold and diamond, you understand? So, I saw the thing of people, I tell the truth. January 14th, born. Enough time some artists come up people and me say, yo, artists, you know, say, see back you look 40 or you look 20,000 years you will give for the marketing fee. Go check the science, man. Brother Peter did, but me tell them about 2 more. Because some artists come and salt people mouth and hold them down. If you know them things to sometimes people. So I know for somebody who be Beenie man, female look for the mother, but me tell Beenie man say, call my phone 1876 7734594. 1876-773-4594. Me know a good science man Beenie. That science man there, if you go around him, you have to go around the mother. Because people, sometimes people, hey, let me tell you, some people wicked enough. Some people wicked. Some people would say, yo, science boy Beenie man, because you are going now. I don't like him, you know. I go science him that's him don't like him mother. I go science him that's him don't do nothing for him mother. I go science him that's him all put up all him mother with all a picture there. That's people say Beenie man, you're wicked though. You put up a mother with a picture there. You put a mother, yo, Beenie man, you're wicked. People science Beenie man people. Because now we that Beenie man gonna have advisor. Beenie man gonna have mad people. That's what I'm telling you, artists. Or no come sign up with Chillionaire record now. As a publishing company and as a marketing company. Because no marketing company is supposed to tell Beenie man. Them would have say, yo, join all those photos back in time. See that? I want there some people put up some unnecessary photo with LA Lewis. It's about the LA Lewis. Charge for this and charge for that. I'm just tell my legal department, say, yo, call all of them. Make them know so remove everything off of social media, or else when them get some big $2.8 million sue for character assassination and one bag of thing, they have to pull them video the long back. What the man? But a Beenie man himself mirrors and send out the video. I said, yeah, I'm gonna fire everybody on Beenie man. I gonna fire everybody. It come like Buju Banton. Come on, Jamaica. And we have Buju Banton come down, people. I go by that story there. And I say, how do you Buju thing? I'm going to fire everybody around there. Further on, big up we the best. But nobody could keep my show. Being Buju would have jail all long and come back and come do a peer show. And Buju Banton should keep him on a show and make the whole of the money there. So there's a Beenie, them reggae artists. That's why we invented Chillionaire record, ladies and gentlemen. Now, what may I tell lie about? Tell me what me tell lie about. No, brother Peter drop out so. And a brother Peter me go send Beenie man to. Brother Peter drop out. Yeah, good morning to my people in England. Good morning to my people in Germany. Good morning to my people in China who just watch a show. R.I.P. for brother Peter, one of the baddest woman man ever walk on Jamaica land. Beenie man need a science man for God. Because people are must send some science Beenie man. Because all you have to put up them picture with their mother. Yeah, brother Peter, they have heart problem, ladies and gentlemen. And I'm telling you, as a science man, you can't do nothing about heart problem. That's a medical association problem. If people who are bad minded or people who are holding down anything, the science man coming at that's yes, son. Science, son. But when you have you not eat good and them thing that you make money, that's the only thing wrong with brother Peter. He spend more time to help people than to help himself. Yeah, son. So that's the only problem with brother Peter. But I vex him gone, ladies and gentlemen. So. But no boy, I believe them can run in. I have about 10 more science man, and I remember I can work science myself. I want to me now. Or they believe me, I'm going to run too much science man, and I catch a little thing or two. I want to know, man. People. That's why I like Jay-Z. I like Beyonce. Jay-Z and Beyonce tell us that they are witch. They are witch. And Beyonce tell us that she reach the degree of highness night. Kanye West tell us I'm a wizard. They don't hide them thing. Because them know say them African power. No for a hypocrite like no for no bloggers are hypocrite. Who they talk about be the man, Lord gosh, we should be the best, you know. We should be the man of the best of the race. We should be the man mother the best. And she need the best. People man I know any man. Big up every mother's worldwide. And any man who go pre me through my do that video Uno wicked, uno like being a man. Any man who go premature do that video, uno wicked, uno like being a man mother. And uno like phone one mother. Do unto others as you would like them to do unto you. Ladies and gentlemen, is that a good sign? My mother couldn't sleep in a bed like that. My mother couldn't in a house like that. People, big children in record boss. Mother in them bed there, mad. In them thing the people, they must be mad. Yeah, Jay-Z and Bujo par now. So Jay-Z sent for Bujo. So you don't know. So Bujo thing look good again, people. I know Bujo ungrateful. Because remember you know, L.A. Lewis was the uncle somebody who organized up Kibaki and whole heap of people and got black road for Buju Banton and say free Buju Banton. Same like come here, the uncle man where they believe in a cartel till everybody start join the bandwagon now. Yes, and me and the uncle somebody who got black road demonstration, put out over $60,000 and buy a t-shirt, placard. And say, yo, come and say, a friend and friend Buju. And when Buju come out, Buju that he said, big up L.A. Lewis. But me never did do it for him come big my people. Me do it because I say, the people they do Buju Banton wrong. That's how L.A. Lewis stay. Once I say wrong people, I'm going to look out against it. And I forget my money and I forget my big up. Yeah, man. Oh, Sika Rhyme now, people. Him so good, man. Him so come out. Some bad minded people shut up Sika Rhyme. Because I see me go over Waterford the other day. So they tell lies, say Sika Rhyme people kill people for Sika Rhyme. I lie them tell. See if the people and family that who dead, they say Sika Rhyme have nothing to do with them family thing, a different thing. That's why I don't know if you follow the press and the media people, and follow LLO's TV. Or follow the 7-star general. This is where the truth will be told. Because men don't talk nothing unless we investigate it. There's so much weeks now, they say, LLO's be the man. I say, yo, I'm not busy with it, you know. Till it get to my head, until the secret society call me and say, LLO's, what are you doing? I sorry, secret society before what I have to do now. Because you know, secret society are the elder. And you know, me have to respect the grandmasters, them, whether male or female. And what do you man, Brother Peter left the whole of the world about them with me? What do you know? Brother Peter left the whole of the science about them with me. So tell some boy for running for me if them bad. What do you? When I say me glow, what do you man? Kuba, science again. So all who don't believe in that word, no make a solid mistake. Biggest Pope Rome. And the biggest word man that too. One of the word luck. Now you go on now. Me come in New York, but you have to send for book me. Me not say like some man who I run come a foreign so. Remember me done make money at Jamaica already. So if you don't want me come to New York, if you don't want me come to England, you want me come anywhere, you have to book me for a concert, or you have to book me for some event, or just to be a business. Me not left Jamaica as a money maker like. Me a tourist. I'm a diplomat. I'm a superstar. And you see me show now, Google cannot tell lie for me. There's nobody bigger than L.A. Lewis out of Jamaica except Spice of a lead me by a couple 100,000 or 1 million views. And that's because me not put out no video like not the big song or nothing yet. So people, I'm the hottest thing. I'm the most knownest thing. See that Google can't tell lie for me. I'm going to replay about the cassette. Yeah, man. Karen, big up yourself, my friend. Look good till them can't stop you again. Yeah, man. Ninja man, you know people. Ninja man for drop a jail, for drop a road. Because they put Ninja man in jail innocently. Enough money in jail innocently. But I'm going to put that for another show, people. Because me have to go. Because I'm sorry for Prime Minister and the people. Because Vibes Cartel are jail innocently. And if the Prime Minister smart, him keep up him bargain. If the Prime Minister ever drop Vibes Cartel are jail out of jail tomorrow. I don't know. And LA alone probably have to take him out of power. If the Prime Minister ever drop Vibes Cartel at road tomorrow, people, Papa Jesus, all my graduate have vote for him. And she dead. So I don't know what matter about. I need attempted to vote for the Prime Minister. G7 people, rich badness, man. The pro badness. See the people. For sure, I say LLOs are the man. Remember, I know. Cartel sang them around the place. And the LLOs slang them around the place. Remember, I know. And me say, bro, God. I say, bro, God, people. What is a bro, God? None of them can tell what a bro, God. Them just use up my slang. And then now come ask me, say, LLOs, so what bro, God? See that if the Prime Minister of Jamaica say, him the new bro, God. People, you know what is a bro, God? Bro, God is your official brother. Yeah, so I say, yo, my bro, God, where go on? So bro God is not a damn thing. When I say, yo, bro God, that means I'm a parent P. My real parent. My brother. My brother from a different mother. So when you're a brother, so when you see a man where you say, yo, bro God, where go on? I want a friend who you have close like a brother called bro God. When I say rich badness now, when I mean Andrew Wellness badness, we mean leeching badness, we mean Queen Elizabeth badness, we mean Bush Truck badness, we mean L.A. Lewis badness, rich badness. You understand? That's what we say. Tanto black badness. Rich. Real rich. Whether rich in the spirit, rich in the money, rich in the fame, rich in the name, rich on Google. Rich badness. Super rich badness. So, and now, when we say G7, we mean the G Summit. You understand? So, G7 boss, LL was that. Rich badness. I might talk around the place, people. Swag daddy. I always say swag, and Goofy says swaggerific. I'm so swaggerific. I make much money from my talk. I say Goofy go out with it because when my boss one talk, I have another talk up my shoulder, people. So Cartel sang them around the place, and LLO slang them around the place. Bro God at the start that right now. So when you see a brother from a different man, say, yo, bro God, where go on? Yo, my bro God, yo, bro God. Yeah, your parent pay par, whether a gangster, whether a politician, whether anything. So bro God means say, my real brother. Real family, bro God. If you want a bro sis, you can go say bro sis now. Or bro goddess. Bro goddess means you're a real sister. So me go on a different one now, people. Bro goddess. You're my bro goddess. Where go on? Or my sis goddess. You understand? But bro mean like a brother. God. That means I'm a real brother. But God brother. So bro God, that's what bro God mean. So if you want to say, yo, sis, bro, let me just say anything, man. I'm just about to talk, man. I'm just going to talk. I'm just going to talk, man. I'm busy with again. I'm just going to talk. So, all the say LLO said the other thing. So imagine now, if them never they ban me sang them. I say million miles away, and they got how much thousands of sales on iTunes, Spotify, CD Baby, Amazon, Orozoro, Pandora Box, Chile America Digital Distribution. So, what am I going to say? The dollars talk for itself. No, alright. Ask them what me tell lie about now. Nobody that with black people. Black people, you sweat and them see you shine too much. Black people like say that a black man shine. And you say them see you do shaggy now, them laugh with you. But it's when they do righteousness, black people try to stop you. Because see them now, remember in a Beenie man, nah go on good with his mother. I mean hear none of them say Beenie man, go help your mother. But behind Beenie man back them a chat. No. LLOs, they say me have money. They say me have more than business. You understand? And if LLOs not even, just LLOs not say stop the business. Because America, the business is LLOs because I have the brains. Anyway, me there. The business job. Because I am the business. Me have 3 Benz. What? They can't say lie that. Me have the certificate for sure. Yes, so tell them for say what we tell lie about. Brother Peter dead. And I lie that we tell. LLOs is a spiritual person. And I lie that me tell. LLUs hot, sexy, bossy, alien forehead, alien brain. Them can't say like that, me tell. Chilean Record is the #1 promotion marketing company in the Caribbean. Them can't say like that. Tell them check out the website. LLUs is the biggest thing on Google. Otherwise, some spice. Stats can't tell lie. So tell them to say lie, me tell with that now again. So people, when Una come say people stop tell lie, cut out on the crap and go tell Beenie Man to do the right thing. And Una stop tell lie, say Chilean Record or LLUs tell lie. Because we don't need to tell lie. Dr. Love that foreigner people, but he owe me some money, so I need to sponsor him from what because Dr. Love owe me some money, people, and now I pay me more money. I may tell you the truth. I mean, I know the people. I don't want to go to 2020, you know, a war with Dr. Love for my money, you know. So people don't tell Dr. Love to send me money, come give me. Because I don't like Dr. Love. He's a good youth people, but he don't love pay people anymore them. Same the Wobe man did that for paper the first time a Wobe man come on social media, you know. A Dr. Love, the Wobe man come and the Dr. Love owe the Wobe man the money, and now I pay the Wobe man the money. That's a brother Williams. Now, Dr. Love Wobe money people come on Jamaica the other day, I Wobe money, and now I pay money. Yeah, son. So that's the thing that people. So tell Dr. Love to pay money. Now, man, people, yeah, but tell Beenie Man say, if him vex with me talk people, make a celebrity boxing match and come and make a charge of money and me and Beenie Man go thump it out because I say Beenie Man, if you want war, me try to tell you the right truth thing. So let it be. But people, I'll forever tell the truth, whole truth, nothing but the God, but the whole truth, nothing but the truth, so help my God. Rich badness, G7. So that's it, the people. Lyrically, tell them to test me if them can. None of them can test me lyrically. Because when I roll up and say, what they believe this is that joke thing when we roll up in the Scheme King, Fiberglass and grenade that cost a K for foreign water conflict, you say about Merlin that made the Scheme King, who do call a turning that is more like disappearing for war. They made the fertilizer trying to bring the drama. Got a federation, the machine like was a singer. Believe say like a wax money, the war designer. If you chop the wash, they made the machine from China. Dra. The whole of them afraid of me. I just pay a tough chat them have. People them can't test me lyrically. No boy in Jamaica the government never banned yet. We don't drop a song for the radar. I made the first boy get them thing about that. The first boss. Alien brains me have people. Don't ramp me. Yeah. When you see the alien forehead, don't ramp me. So the sexy alien eye them, don't ramp me. When you see the white man nose, when you see the black people lip, when you see the common mixed people, I'm a hybrid. I want to the moonshine earline. See, that's what I know say. That how the person man, the person that know I go on, the person what you're the person that got African links. Yo, tell them what kind of earline this. Cause enough of them don't know what kind of ear. Yeah, see me make sure put it back. Tell them what kind of earline. Tell them. Yeah, them earline and normal earline people. That special tribe of them earline, you know. People, a giant fast people, a Benz me have, Honda me have, you understand? Mitsubishi me have, cars me have, and tell them, say, don't fly the jet. Come on, so rent plane too, you know. Chill and Erica, we do rent planes. Which girl that now? Which girl that me for talk about? No, which girl that I'm for talk about? I don't know which girl that. Hold on there. Which girl that I'm talk about? I don't know which girl that I'm for talk about. Alright, so people, See there? Nothing not going for Beenie Man from the year start. See that bust what Beenie Man now. So Beenie Man supposed to come pay me some money, but before Beenie Man come pay me money for call back in name, I deal the mama first. Cause people right now I feel like my girl in the night here. And put it on live and go, I not want to put it on live. From a girl there, all I'm gonna know some around there. Cause everybody can put it on live. Cause I don't know my girl. Anyone gonna carry her follow me. I'm gonna drop off for even $200,000. When I Beenie Man mother yard. Cause it need for done. But I love Beenie Man mother people. If I say I don't love Beenie Man mother, God will kill me. But feel it to my heart before I go on with the woman. But Beenie Man for prove the world wrong. Remember say years now people tell Beenie Man for take care of mother. And the man gonna make him mother grow old now and him still not do it. People I don't know. When I left in a comment, yes, and tell me what you think about it. And for further information, please go to www.trillionairerecord.com. And if you want to book LA Lewis for a stage or event, or if you come host a show for you, or if you come advertiser, if you want to book come to Trillionaire Record for promotion or marketing, please do go to www.trillionairerecord.com or Google the Trillionaire Record is listed as a Google affiliate. If you want to build a corporate YouTube, a corporate Facebook, a corporate social media site, you want to build a website, you want to build a phone apps, please contact Trillionaire Record, ladies and gentlemen. If you want to shoot a video, you want to make an advertisement, please contact Trillionaire Record. And if you want to print posters, billboard, you want to wrap a bus or a car, please contact Trillionaire Record. Yes, and if you want to sign a digital distribution deal or a promotion or a marketing contract, please contact Trillionaire Records. Yes, and so people, LA Lewis is not even Trillionaire Records. If me they are Trillionaire Records, them still run. So big up Trillionaire Record in Mobile and big up Trillionaire Record new office people in England. So I can know go on. So Trillionaire Record people, we're the number one. And people, anytime I run for Prime Minister, vote LA Lewis. Because I feel I'm going to do it on them there because the country not going good. Rich badness, Mr. People. Queen is wet badness. Leeching badness. Fuck and Joe Wallace badness. And broke pocket badness. And sell out Jamaica badness. Man, like that. Big up Queen is wet badness. Rich badness that. Yeah, man. Be a light, people, never a shadow. Be a leader in your own way. You understand? And most of all, take care of your family. Because at the end of the day, people, when friends and woman and everybody gone, if your family dead. But when you breed a woman now, you have to respect her and love her. But if you find out that she don't understand herself, and you have to move left her, make sure you take care of your kids them. But mama people never desert your mother, never desert your father. Even if your father might be a punk, and them bring you come here. So never desert mama and papa. Light over darkness. Good over evil. So that's the thing, the people. That's my words I'm left with now. Love on a friend, never kill on a friend. That's how I say bro God. That sure say when me invent bro God people, that sure say my friend, you're still my bro. I'm still have you as God. So you supposed to have me as your bro God, me have you as my bro God. So big up all the bro gods them. Big up all my real friends them. AKA bro God. Real friends mean bro God. Rich badness. You understand? 7 bars. I might slang them around the whole place right now, people. So all them are going to say LA Lewis are the greatest. And them still hold on my music. Good over evil. That's what I say. So what Beenie Man just do the thing, because I know I watch my show.